Why you need a soul contract reading and healing to break free from your limiting patterns. Have you ever found yourself stuck in the same emotional loop? You change the cities, you change jobs, even change partners, but somehow the same struggle finds you again everywhere. Whether it is attracting emotionally unavailable people, feeling constantly rejected, feeling unseen, struggling with the financial instability, or always end up as giving in one-sided relationship. There is a pattern you need to notice. But no matter how much inner work you do, it keeps showing up again and again. But why? Because what you are experiencing might not just be random, it could be part of your soul contract. And understand that contract can change everything. And let's talk about it. So, what is a soul contract? A soul contract is an energetic agreement that your soul makes before you were born with another soul. It includes the lesson you are here to learn, the people you're meant to meet, the patterns you're meant to transcend through, and the growth your soul signed up for this lifetime. This doesn't mean that life is predetermined, but it does mean that your soul had a plan, a reason. And the truth is that your challenges aren't your punishments, they are part to be the curriculum of you being on the school of earth. And the good news is that you can rewrite the parts that no longer serve you because you have outgrown. But first, before you outgrow or you heal, you need to know what you signed up for. While most people stay stuck, let me be very, very honest and transparent. Most people don't break their patterns because they are only looking at the surface. They take courses, read self-books, try affirmation. But if you never go to the root, the shift doesn't last. They are very temporary. And the root is rarely found in your conscious mind. It levels in your soul. And that's where a soul contract reading comes in. Now, what happens in a soul contract reading and healing? So in this, we access your Akashic records, the energetic library of your soul's journey, to understand that what your soul chose to learn in this life. Reveal the karmic agreements that are influencing your patterns. Identify the soul level relationships that are triggering you. And most importantly, uncover how to start shifting it all. You'll walk with clarity, peace, action, steps that align with your soul purpose, not just what your mind thinks you should do, but what is the real requirement. Now let's talk real. This is how people set themselves free. I have worked with hundreds of clients and have seen biggest shift coming into their life after a soul contract reading and healing. One client who kept attracting emotionally distant partner realized that she had a soul contract around abandonment rooted in the past life. Once she cleared it, she met someone who saw her, valued her, and stayed with her. Another client who faced constant financial block discovered that he made a soul vow of poverty in a previous incarnation as a healer. The moment he realized that this is the contract, the new opportunities and income started flowing into his life. And here is what I tell everyone. Once you understand the why behind your patterns, you reclaim your power and you have the ability to change them. Is this you? Have you ever felt, why do I keep ending up in the same pain? What am I doing wrong? I have done everything and nothing shifts. So the reading is for you because it's not about what you are doing wrong. It's about what your soul is still carrying. And once you see it, it can finally release. And this is your next level of healing. So why now? If you're hearing this message right now, it's not by accident. Universe does not have the word called coincidence in its dictionary. So now, guys, you are not behind, you're not broken, but you are ready for something deeper. The truth is, the longer you wait to understand your soul contract, the longer you stay in the cycles that aren't meant to define you. Your healing, your clarity, your freedom is waiting for you. But you have to say, yes, if you're ready to finally understand your soul's blueprint and shift karmic weight that have been holding you back, book your soul contract reading and healing now. This is more than a session, it's a soul awakening. And it might just be the turning point that you were waiting for years now. Again, the spots are very limited because these sessions are very deep, channeled, and personalized. So if you feel that nudge, don't wait. This is your soul calling you home. Let's finally break the cycle together. See you in the session.